Okay, so we are discussing variant B, okay, and variant A you're going to write. So, question number 1, what type of linear association does the scatter plot show? First of all, look at the picture and ask yourself, where does the line go? Can you see it goes down? Yes. So it cannot be positive, okay? It should be negative because it goes down. Question number 1, do the dots close to the line? Remember, if close, strong. If not close, weak. Here, can you see close? Not very close, so it's going to be weak. Okay, weak. So the answer is like this. That's it. Number 2. Number 2, you can see the two-way frequency table, okay, and you need to complete the table with percentage. So, again, when you read the task, very clearly read what is asked. The two-way frequency table shows the number of stores in 2 different cities. So, is it about restaurants? No. Is it about retails? No. It's about 2 different cities. City A, so you go down, look here. City B, you go down, look here, okay? Now you need to complete two-way relative frequency table. So if you see like this, you need to divide part by whole. But if we are talking about cities, so this is your parts, this is your whole. This is your parts, this is your whole, okay? And also you may check, if you divide 94 by 217, you will get 43%. Okay, so here just okay, let me stop the video. Okay, I need just calculator to calculate. So again, we are dividing 94 by 217, you get this percent, okay? Then you divide 123 by 217 again, you will get 57%, and together you will get 100, okay? Here also you divide 75 by 183, okay, and it's going to be 41% here. Again, 41.59 give you 100, okay? That's it about number 2. Again, pay attention what you need to divide about for what number, okay? If you're talking about cities, you go look down about the cities, not about the restaurants, not about the retails, okay? And the same you do in the test. You look what this way you need to divide, or this way, what are you asked about, okay? Okay, so here you need to do actually nothing, just explain what you see. Okay, you have equation, okay? This is the slope, this is the y-intercept. Okay, what is the meaning of this 6.1? You have weight h. That means that every year, okay, every year, or you may write for me in 1 year, it doesn't matter, okay, in 1 year. This is about children's weight, so in 1 year, one child gains 6.1 pounds, okay? 6.1 pounds, okay? Next, what does it mean plus 10? Plus 10, this is y-intercept, so look here, okay? what can you see? 10, it's about what? It's about weight, okay? And 0 is about what? It's about age. So, the question about 10, when the child is 0 years old or newborn, you may say, okay? He or she weighs those 10 pounds. That's it. So in this task you need to read the graph. What information is here about? What information is here about? So slope is something by one something, okay? Like here, amount of weight, amount of pounds per 1 year. This is at the beginning when y-intercept is 0. So at the very beginning, when there is nothing. Okay. So let's go next. Next, number 4. Number 4. Okay, the table below shows the ages of employees over 50 years and their salary. And here you can see like the table with axes and with X age and Y money. So use this data to construct a scatter plot. Here you need to look at these numbers and just put the dots. Okay, here, put the dots, but, what numbers do we have here? Look, 52, 54, it's okay, 53, 55, 58. So 52, we have, 54 do we have? No, so we need to write 54. Then we have 55 and 53. So 52, 54 here should be 53 in the middle. 55 here should be 55 in the middle, okay? And 58, 56 in one is going to be 58. So now about money. What numbers do we have? We have 73. So first of all, here 60, so that means that here 70, okay, 80, here 90, here 110. So before putting the dots, first of all, check the numbers and write the numbers on the graph. First of all, then you will be putting your dots, okay? So, and let's go. 52 and 73. You can see 52, 73. So, and again, why this Y? Why this Y? Okay, because here dollars and here dollars. So that number goes to Y, okay? Here year, years, age, and here age. So age goes to X, okay? So just read attentively the graph. That's it, okay? Now let's go. We have 52 and 73. So here 52, here go up, 70, okay, let's say 70 is here, 73 is somewhere here, okay? More or less, approximately put. Then 54, 81. We have 54 here, 81 here, somewhere here, okay? Then we have 53, 110. 53 is here, 100 maybe 10, okay, 110 is here. And then we have 55 and 122 somewhere there. And then we have 58 and 92, 58 and 92 somewhere there, okay? So you may check your numbers with mine. Yeah, something like this, okay? That's it. This is the task. Okay. Next, in a survey, 135 adults were asked, where do they prefer to live? So, Here, this is just two-way frequency table, no percents, okay? So, question number one, what do we need to do to find the total? We do plus, okay? To find the total, we do plus, this plus this, this plus this. What do we do to find the missing number? We do minus, we subtract from total, okay? So like here, 62 minus 42 is going to be 20, so you write here 20. Now go down to find the total, do plus. 23 plus 20 is going to be 43. And tell to yourself, to find the total, we do plus. To find the missing number, not total, you do minus from the total, okay? How to find this number? 73 minus 23. Going to be 50. Now go down to find the total, you do plus. It's going to be 92. And that's it. Okay. Now just look and check. Select all the true statements. So, more males than females were surveyed. Look at total. Look at total. How many males? 92. How many females? 43. So, more males than females. Yes. More males want to live in the cities than in the country. So we are looking at males. Looking at males. More in the city than in the country. More in the city than in the country. More in the city. No. Next, more females want to live in the country than in the city. So we are looking at the females. Females. More in the country than in the city. More in the country than in the city. 23 is more than 20, yes. And the last one, more males want to live in the country than the total for city. Okay, total for city. Look, total for city is 62, okay? More males want to live in the country. How many males want to live? 50 wants to live in the country. So, is this more than this? This number more than this? No. Again, here just read and look. You read males country, you look males country. You read total for the city, you look total for the city. What you read, those numbers, you may also circle for yourself because you need to compare them. Is it more? No. So you write no. That's it, okay? And number 6. Select the appropriate linear equation. Here even no need to write any formulas, just think logically, okay? Think logically. You see the formula, you know that the last number is y-intercept, okay? Any last number is y-intercept. Look at it here, what do you have y-intercept? It's 1, just 1, not minus 1. So, everything that has minus 1, we just cross out. We don't need this, okay? Now choose this or this. This or this. Where does the line go? Which way? Up. So that means that the slope is positive. The slope is positive. What is slope? Slope is this letter M before the X. Here we have 1. Okay? If you see just letters, that means that this is 1. So, do we need plus 1 or minus 1 if the line goes up? Of course we need plus, because positive, we need positive slope. So that's why this is the correct answer, because here you have minus. Minus, that means that the line should have gone down, but it isn't, okay? That's it. So look at the y-intercept, cross out what is wrong for sure, like this, we were doing this wrong for sure. Then look at the slope. Is it positive or negative? And just choose. And that's it. So please print it, do it one more time. okay, on paper, and then you may use your paper to do your real test.